everyone, and welcome back to our another tutorial of artisanal art craft. Today we learn some tips and tricks, or you can say resin hacks, that I wish I know earlier. Here I have some silicone molds and pigments with UV resin that I used in today's video. I am using silicone molds because every beginner in resin art will start its journey by using silicone molds. Tip number 1. Do not use excess amount of pigment into resin. Let's understand with a live example. Here I have around 2 to 3 milliliters of resin, and I take that much amount of white pigment. Now just wait for the result. I will show you how it will affect our resin art. As you can see, this is so soft and even not fully cured. Now let me tell you the correct way. Take some resin and little pinch of pigment. Mix it well, and after cure this, you will see the magic. See, it's perfectly cured. Wow, I like it. Now moving forward. The tip number 2 is removing bubbles. As I suggest in my previous videos, always use a good quality resin. But I agree, still we have to face problem of bubbles. More in while working with real flowers. Now we have 2 options to remove bubbles. I will suggest that, when you are working with silicone molds, do not use blowtorch. Always use isopropyl alcohol spray or bubble pop spray. Let me add some silver flakes for detailing. Now I am adding some UV resin on it. I am using bubble spray to pop up remove bubbles. As you can see, there are little bubbles comes because when a flower is dipped into a resin, then it will absorb some resin. So here, the center of daisy flower has some bubbles. Let's fix this problem in our next tip. Tip number 4 is layer concept in resin. Now I add some resin and cure to make a base, so that the flower will fully cure in the center of resin. After that, put the flour on it. Let's make another layer on it to cover the flour. Here is the hack that we cover the center part with thin layer, and after cure there is no chance of any bubble float out from flour. I hope you getting my point, and if there is any confusion, feel free to comment below. This is very important trick while making jewelry with resin. Now and last, there is a bonus tip that do not use very old flour, especially white ones, into the resin directly, because it will turn yellow color when react with resin. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative resin art tutorials. See you in the next video. Follow me on Instagram, link is in the description. Thank you.